Hi, my name is Shelby and I just got my Cocoa Venus 35 pan eyeshadow palette. And I'm so excited to use this because it has 35 different colors and there are so many options and different looks that you could do with light colors or dark colors. And what I love about it, because I'm always traveling so much, is that it also has colors that you could use for blush and highlighter and contour, and there's also eyeshadow, so it's all in one and it's easy to travel with, easy to pack. And I also like how cute the packaging is. But the shades are very, very pigmented and they are creamy, so they're not gonna break, and they have multiple uses to them because they are so pigmented. And I'll just show you with one of the darker colors. You can see that's barely even touching it, how much it comes off on my arm. But I love all these colors. The glitter especially I love because I like to put a lot of glitter on my eyes, and I'm so excited to use this. I'm really glad that I got it. Thank you.
Bye.